Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech Gitter Official. In this video, I will show you how to add a local printer on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Step 1. Open Control Panel. First, go to the search bar on your taskbar. Type Control Panel and press Enter. Step 2. Open Devices and Printers. Now, click on Devices and Printers. This section will show you all the printers and devices connected to your system. Step 3. Add a printer. At the top of this window, click on Add a Printer. Now Windows will search for available printers connected to your PC. If your printer doesn't appear in the list, don't worry. Go to the next step. Step 4. The printer I want is not listed. Click on the link, The printer I want is not listed. Now you will see several options to add the printer manually. These include: add a printer using an IP address or hostname. Add a Bluetooth, wireless, or network discoverable printer. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Choose the third option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click Next. Step 5. Choose the printer port. Next, choose the correct port for your printer. If you're using an older printer with parallel cables, choose LPT1. If it's a USB printer, you might see USB 001 or something similar. Here, I'll click LPT1 if my printer is an older printer with parallel cables. Choose the correct option and click Next. Step 6. Install the printer driver. Now, you'll need to install the driver for your printer. On the left, select the manufacturer of your printer, like HP, Canon, Epson, etc. Then, on the right, select your printer model. If your printer is not listed, click Have Disk and browse to where you saved the driver you downloaded from the official website. Once you've selected, click Next. Step 7. Name your printer. You can now name your printer. Either enter a custom name or use the default name. Click Next. Step 8. Print a test page and finish. You'll now have the option to print a test page. If the test page prints successfully, click Finish. That's it. You've successfully added a local printer to your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. You don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.